Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Chris, aka the IT guy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the JDK or the Java Development Kit on Windows 11. Before I proceed to any process, I'm going to check if there is no previous installed JDK, and to check that you have to go in the search and type command prompt like this one, command prompt like this, and choose the command prompt. And inside the command prompt you can go ahead and type java version to check if there is no version pre-installed, and you can see that the Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. It means that there is no JDK on this computer. So I'm going to check for the Java compiler too by using this command java c, and you can see now that the results are the same. Okay, now we are pretty sure that our system doesn't have any JDK environment installed on, so now it's our duty to do this so as to have it up and running. So I'm going to close this command prompt and open the browser of my favorite. Make sure you are connected to the internet too, because we need the internet to download the setup. So inside the browser I'm using Chrome. You can use any browser of your favorite, there is no limitation to that. You can go ahead and type JDK like this one and press enter, and when the search result appears here, you can see that there will be this first link from oracle.com. I'm going to follow this link and click on this, and there will be let's wait for the results. So let's wait for it to load. And once we are on the official website, you can see that there will be a lot of information regarding this Java Development Kit. And when you take a closer look, you can see that the current version by the time of making this video is Java 18. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my host. As I'm using Windows 11, I'm going to click on Windows, and there will be some of the installers and some archives. So I'm going to choose the installer for this, and as I told you, the current version is 18. So I'm going to click on here and just wait for the download to start. So once I click on here, and you can see that now the download is started, so you have to give it a go. So, and in order to make this video short, I'm going to speed up, and I will continue once this is now complete. Alright, cool. And once the setup is downloaded, we can go ahead and click on it to open it. And once it asks you for this confirmation, you have to go and press yes and minimize this browser, and we have this clean workspace. So we are going to continue with further processes, and you see now that the installer is started. So we have to click on next, and again this will be the path on where it will be installed, so make sure to check this out. And I like to leave this as the default one because it can't cause any problem in the long run, so I like to leave it as the same for the default. So I'm going to go ahead and press on next again, and now it will start to install. So I'm going to speed this up so it come once these processes are done, and I will show you the further processes for setting up this environment. Alright, cool. Now once this setup is completed, you can go ahead and close. And one more thing that we have to do is now to make some paths in the environment variables. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and go in the settings here in the settings of your computer on your Windows 11, and we'll see where it's written about down here, the last option here. I'm going to click on this and to bring all this, but what we want to aim for is these advanced system settings. I'm going to click on this one and to bring these system properties. I'm going to see where it's written environment variables here. I'm going to click on here, and once I am in here, I will see where it's written path, and we click on edit. And you will see there will be a bunch of things here accordingly, because the environment variables will vary according to what you added in there. And what I'm going to do again, I'm going to go on my Windows Explorer. I will navigate to the local disk C. I will go to program files on the path where we installed our JDK. I'm going to go on Java, on JDK, and in bin. And once you are in here, you can go ahead and copy this address, and I'm going to paste, to click on new to bring this where you can paste our address. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it here, and it will look like this one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and press on OK. And one more thing that we have to do is now to add this to the system variables. So I'm going to go ahead and click new. I'm going to type Java underscore home, and I'm going to paste the same path here, but in this case I will remove the bin, and I will paste this. I will put this as this. So I'm going to go ahead and press on OK, and I'm going to go on OK again and OK again. So I'm going to close all of this and search for the command prompt again, like we did in the starting of the video. Command prompt. So here it is. So I'm going to click on here and type Java -version to check if now the Java is up and running. You can see that it's showing me Java and the current version. And when you try also to check for the compiler to Java C -version, you can see that I have this as my compiler. I hope guys you found this video interesting and it was useful. Let me know if you met with any questions or any problems. You can ask me in the comments section below, and make sure you press the like, and if you are coming on this channel, make subscribe to see all the coming videos. And from now on till next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace up.